Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Dogecoin price prediction and Dogecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Dogecoin in 2022. Let's remember where the well-known Dogecoiner Doge came from. It was born from the popular internet meme Doge, and its logo depicts a dog of the Shiba Inu breed. The open-source digital currency was created by Billy Marcus of Portland, Oregon and Jackson Palmer of Sydney, Australia as a fork of Litecoin in December 2013. The creators of Dogecoin saw it as a fun and laid-back cryptocurrency that would be more appealing to outside of the mainstream audience of Bitcoin, since it refers to the famous dog meme. Also, you probably often heard about Elon Musk's mentions of Dogecoin. He explained this support by the fact that he considers this altcoin to be the people's cryptocurrency, since many Tesla and SpaceX employees own it. Also, the head of Tesla and SpaceX denied information that is related to the development of Dogecoin. Musk stated that none of his associates, including Jared Birchall, are members of the Dogecoin Foundation, which supports and develops the altcoin. In August, the organization announced a revival, and also announced that its advisors included Musk representative Jared Birchall and Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Dogecoin. American billionaire Ken Griffin to offer cryptocurrency services through Citadel Securities. The adoption of cryptocurrency is expanding. With the performance of several prominent digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Tether, Ripple, and others, the perception of cryptocurrency is gradually changing. Running on blockchain technology, more businesses and individuals now understand and accept crypto as a great potential asset for the future. As a result, it's no longer a surprise that many brands are using crypto as a means for payment and settlements for that exchange of products and services. Globally, cryptocurrency has gone through a meteoric rise, causing several personalities to have a paradigm shift in their perceptions. One of such instances is the recent move from Ken Griffin, the founder of Citadel, on his past stance against cryptocurrency and, precisely, Bitcoin. This change of the billionaire comes as his American multinational hedge fund and financial service firm move into the cryptocurrency market. In an interview with David Rubenstein of Bloomberg Wealth, Griffin mentioned that the current geopolitical conflicts create remarkable downward slips of volatility with the markets. Concerning digital assets, the Citadel founder had a turnaround in his stance as he revealed the plans of his company stepping into the crypto market this year. Ken Griffin on launching cryptocurrency service provider the billionaire in the past has level at the beginning of March. Doge was unable to trade anywhere close to it ever since March began. The asset was seen trading below the 20 small mark, which signified that sellers regained the price momentum in the market. After witnessing a death cross, as the 50 small line was over the 20 small line last week, the coin continued its downtrend. The volume of Dogecoin also flashed a decline along with the past two trading sessions, closing in red as seen on the chart. Fear index continues to look grim for most of March so far. The market barely witnessed any buying strength. The coin has tried to bring in buyers in the past 24 hours, however it failed to hold its momentum. The relative strength index reflects the same reading as the indicator slowly crept below the half line at press time, indicating a selling strength again. The directional movement index was also negative, which reaffirmed that buying momentum was on a decline as the die was above the die line. The average directional index also showed declining strength, as it meant that the market could head into a price consolidation phase over the upcoming trading sessions. Fear index of Dogecoin scored a 22, which corresponds to extreme fear on the index. This reading signaled that buyers were scared to buy the asset and that the asset's price momentum was bearish in nature. Taylor, the chief executive of business intelligence software company MicroStrategy, who predicted consumer inflation will continue near all-time highs, and asset inflation will run at double the rate of consumer inflation over the next few years, adding, weaker currencies will collapse, and the flight of capital from cash, debt, and value stocks to scarce property like Bitcoin will intensify. It is not entirely unpredictable that you would reach that conclusion, Musk responded, referring to Saylor's large Bitcoin holdings. MicroStrategy, a decades-old software company, has pivoted to a Bitcoin acquisition vehicle over the last couple of years. MicroStrategy now holds just over 125,000 Bitcoins, currently valued at about $4.8 billion. Musk has become one of the most divisive figures in the crypto community over the last year, has repeatedly called for upgrades to the meme-based Bitcoin rival Dogecoin, suggesting last year Doge could work with Ethereum to beat Bitcoin hands down. While Musk further, with the overstretched situation on its 2050 CMIS, a bullish revival in the coming days seemed likely. However, the meme coin shares a 62% 30-day correlation with the King coin. Thus, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement would be vital to complement these technical factors. And second news today about Animoca, Ripple-backed crypto custodian at $300 million value. The Series B round, which raised $88 million, also garnered participation from new investors including Ripple, Terra, Morgan Creek and Primavera Venture Partners, the startup said in a statement Wednesday. The firm had raised $6 million in March 2021, said co-founder and chief executive officer Alessio Cuglini. Nobody's doubting anymore that blockchain will become the new infrastructure of the financial markets, Cuglini said in an interview. If a big chunk of financial services has to run on the blockchain, then you are sure you will need institutional players providing infrastructure for institutional investors. HexTrust is among a crop of crypto startups trying to bring the Wall Street formula to digital assets, in everything from lending to custody and wealth management. Founded in 2018, it now has $5 billion in assets under custody from over 200 institutional clients, it said. Existing investors including QPN Capital, Kinetic Capital and Hashkey Capital also participated in the round, according to the statement. Joining them was New World Development Chief Executive Officer Adrian Cheng, who's begun backing startups that target the metaverse and Web3, touted as the blockchain-based future of the internet. Cheng said in a statement he made a personal investment in HexTrust, while his C Ventures vehicle has joined funding rounds for blockchain firms, including most recently Joseph Lubin's Consensus. HexTrust will use the proceeds to expand in Europe and the Middle East, and obtain additional licenses beyond its current bases in Hong Kong and Singapore. Well, now we will discuss the Dogecoin price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030, based on the following concept. Dogecoin is currently worth 12 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $16,144,362,591, making it the 12th most valuable coin. Okay, let's start with this year. The forecast for 2022 is as follows. Doge has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Dogecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of 20 cents. Doge is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 may end with an average price of 18 cents, a minimum price of 17 cents, and a maximum price of 20 cents. By the way, after today's drawdown news, it might make sense to buy this coin, but let's look at the next forecast for 2023. So, in fact, what 2023 promises us, experts predict that basic analysis is important for a long-term forecast of the Dogecoin price. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Doge price will rise to around 25 cents by 2023, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of 30 cents with a minimum price, 25 cents level. And what about those who decided to keep it even longer? Analysts give the following forecasts. Dogecoin forecasts for 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Dogecoin could cross 42 cents if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 35 cents. And if you are ready to hold this cryptocurrency for more than 3 years, then the next forecast for you, the forecast for 2025 is that the value of Dogecoin will grow thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2025 is bullish. Doge is